I want a blumpkin. I want a motherfucking blumpkin. I need a blumpkin. Just give me a blumpkin. I want a blumpkin.
Oh, that's good.
And then they like decide to like, we don't have enough money.
That happens a lot, dude. Another useless person with a camera. Nope.
Exactly.
Your power's not on. Now your power's on. Now you're blinking. Please upload a video to your YouTube channel. You are annoying with no videos, and I really want one. Mwah. Ooh, hello.
I just wanted one for today.
It's alright.
Grab one.
Well, I got another one, so you get that later, alright?
I'll get
You have it now.
I'll get
You
it.
got it, you got it later. What?
Then you should really upload more videos.
Me?
Yo, don't these two look alike?
I just upload.
7 videos in 3 years.
Don't these two look alike?
I need a camera.
No. He has blonde hair. He has.
Yeah.
He has brunette. Oh, wait a minute. That's your plane.
It's funny because you can't carry plates with these.
That's why it's a plate shot.
I don't even hold it with like that. I hold it like this.
Do me a favor. Get that out of there and use that finger.
Nah, keep the finger off the trigger.
No, yeah, but don't shoot with this finger.
Why?
Because you're not a paintballer.
Pew, 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 pew.
I don't know, I feel more comfortable like that. I feel
What?
more comfortable like that. So then I can press it real quick and shoot it.
Can I? Well, why don't you let me cut this finger off? Right, I'll cut that off. This way you have free range of motion.
Okay.
Nice game type.
I was about to shoot you.
Hold on, I have to like defog.
I was standing there, I'm shooting, I'm like, what's going on? And my barrel comes on it, and he just goes, shoot away.
What size are these?
Medium.
Sure you got smalls.
No, I grow into it.
Oh, that's true. I forgot. You're not at your maximum larges.
Yeah. Glove size.
Oh yeah, we have to do this for Alo. Okay. See Alo? See this glove right here? See that glove? See this glove? There. See this?
Oh.
This is Alo's old gloves. Now Alo has new ones because of me. Punk. I gave him a pair. That's why I take care of my boys. You know what I'm saying? That's how I roll. Yep. There's a video about it for Mr.
We need to upload more videos too.
I'm going to ask you, I understand why people put those magazines in the back, but if you don't have an MP5, why you're a submachine gun, why do you have that back
I have
there?
an MP9.
Oh, that's what you do. Okay.
MP9. I need more mags. Y'all like.
That'd be, you should run that as your sidearm.
Then it wiggles around.
You can get the Real Steel MP7 drop leg holster. Okay, let me finish. Park, hit the brakes, put in reverse, and now back up. Okay. Let me explain what I was going to do before I was rudely interrupted. You could buy a Real Steel MP7 leg holster made by Serpa, or not Serpa, whatchamacallit, Blackhawk, and you could just mod it by dremeling out a little bit, and it'll actually, you can clip in your MP9 to it. If you look on the KWA forums, the guy did it. I have turbo things.
Yeah, mine got shot in the wire. Or this way.
Yeah, it's on the other side.
Yeah, I got shot the wire.
Really?
Yeah. 1 in a million, right? 1 in a million. Can Can I go in here and then I'll be like,
Go, VOODOO, go!
We were talking about that on Thursday night when I was working. You put somebody come in here with their little kid and strap them to the back, like you know those baby things you hang off the back. And you have your kid just running up there. He can be your eyes in the back. You have 360 view.
I just saw a baby drop out of there.
That's right.
Oh, you don't have to show.
we gotta get POW. We gotta get.
Did you really?
Suicide Alley.
Here, you shoot me now.
We gotta get Suicide Alley.
Yeah.
Really? Really?
Woo!
You're the dump house.
No, because that. You guys ready? I like it here. I know. I could sometimes like it. Go, 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 go. Anybody over there?
Yeah, this guy just went behind the wall.
Oh, is he? Oh! I got hit. It's unlimited.
Alright, good.
Hey, Biscuit. What are we playing? Domination, Pass the Fly?
Domination.
Oh. You got, oh, I see him.
We got one behind that wall. Yeah, one behind that wall.
I need cover to get that. Hit! Right in my nurple. Got hit right in the nipple.
We have suicide.
We're raising blue, right?
Yeah, do you have suicide?
No, let's go try to get it now.
Okay.
We got it. Okay, good.
Oh, damn. Watch it. Stay low. We got this already.
Oh.
I didn't know.
Look at that.
We have. How many of you are in here?
Two.
Alright.
Watch out, watch out.
Alright, let's back out. Me and him are leaving.
Now we just gotta get that other one.
Yeah. I'm going Strode! You stay right here. Don't move. Just
Alright.
cover this hallway.
Alright.
I'm gonna try to cover us as we're out of this window.
Alright.
Alright? Don't move yet. Don't move yet. Hold on, Bieber.
They're coming out!
I got a malfunction. Hold on. There we go. Hold on, hold on. Alright, get ready. Get ready, Beaver. Alright, move out. Move out.
Wanna go to POW? Where?
Really, guy?
probably move up to the POW to get possible.
Do we have that one?
Yeah, we do.
All right, we need to hold this one. They got that in there. We need to, everybody needs to converge onto that flag because it doesn't.
Around it. Oh, that's going through this spawn.
No, but there's spawns right there.
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Wait, is it,
What? All right. Red light.
AJ, come to you!
That's it, buddy. Call that.
Where's the flag over here?
Hanging up on a wall. See the pole? Oh, that was right in your head. Thank you. Move in, Biscuit, move in.
Here.
Good call. Good work. Hold it. Bieber, hold that flag. Where's Youngblood at? Youngblood! Where is he? Emmix, we got this flag. We got this one. Come on, guys, 10 seconds. Red light. They're coming out of the school on the other side. There's a guy right there around the corner.
Game over.
Game over. Good game, guys. Good game. Yeah, man. Who's my buddy over there?
Good game.
Good game. Who's my buddy with that pistol? Hey, good game. Hey, were you the one over here with me? Up against this wall right here?
Yeah, that was me.
Good game. I was pulling for you.
Yeah.
Good game, fellas. Good game, ref. Good game. Good game. Okay. Good game.
Where's Anthony?
What time is it?
Time for you to check the watch.
Whoa, Mr. Wise Guy.
Yeah. See him later, on the concrete. Listen hard enough, you can hear his heartbeat. His arms spread out, let the crowd rush. Stand back, nigga, don't get your head bust. Stand back, nigga, don't get your head bust. Stand back, nigga, don't get your head bust.
I think next year I'm gonna go fit. Oh, this the gas pullback one?
Yeah.
Did you chrono it yet? Did you chrono it?
No. Don't throw it yet.
What?
No, you didn't throw it yet. These are 2, 3. I don't know. I think
You got gas in it?
yeah. It's probably.
I'll pull an R. Kelly. It wasn't
Wait, can I use
Ow, fuck.
Well, cash doesn't lock back because it's on.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Swore down.
Don't hurt me, Ryan. No.
What are you doing?
Oh my god, that's really low.
Wait, what do you have to do? Can you help him? Or you're doing the
That's
same
really
thing that you're
low,
doing?
so I guess I
No, you're good.
You have to do what?
Oh, wait. Is there a BB in there?
Why?
Here.
You bring your own?
I have to fire out the whole
Oh,
mag.
can't be too
There is. It just stays in there.
Oh.
It stays in there.
We usually have a... You have a cleaning rod? Here?
No.
There you go. That's nice, man. How much you get it for?
$200 for the kit, $50 for the mag. And I have a matrix inner barrel. It's not that great.
Oh, that's a kit?
Yeah,
he made that.
I do. Yeah.
Didn't Justin help you or no?
Oh, my dad helped me with the C-rings and crap because those are really hard to get in.
Does he like guns?
The C-rings are pretty hard
I
to get
wanted to get this. It was either this or a Polestar.
in. I don't know about the Polestar. I haven't seen those yet.
Very nice, man.
But not this morning you did.
Without more.
Very nice. How accurate is it?
I guess it goes to like 150 feet pretty accurately.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Very good, man. How many mags you got?
Only one,
One?
because they're pretty expensive.
No, I know. No, I know. How many does it hold?
Oh, 50.
50? That's good. That's good. Good, man.
Yeah, I'll use that today.
Sidearm?
Hey,
No.
conserve your ammo.
Okay, I need to shoot out this mag since I can't get the BB out. Wait, is the BB still?
Does anybody have a cleaning rod for this kid?
No, I'll just shoot the rest out.
Why?
No, waste it.
Don't waste
Yeah.
it.
I have like at least 3,000.
Well, then why don't-
Don't worry about it. Don't
Can
worry
you
about
put
it.
that on dry fire mode?
Just get him a cleaning rod from somebody over there.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna have you waste your stuff, dude. That's stupid. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, the BB just stuck in there.
That's all right. What's going on, brother? Yeah, I'll go get one.
Hey! Hey!
He's coming in probably like in an hour. You got a cleaning rod in here? A what? A cleaning rod? I got to get a BB out of here. Perfect.
Oh gosh, she's videotaping.
So you don't, right?
Is it videotaping
Oh,
right
wait,
now?
is it still on? Oh, wait, hold on.
Hi YouTube.
What's your name? That's
Andrew.
That's Marine Corps 556, everybody.